major disaster and a weekend eba. Okoja mabema me tepa. Mining.
Yes.
What happened in that story?
Kofi mining no. Nyame say na no fiada. Na be akakra na
ya start images ni very bizarre.
Yes.
Therefore, mestre wa we are sensitive to some of these things. Videos are no too terrible. Say because we should need papa. You know, a so horrifying situation. And as a matter of fact, me a person mean to me. In fact, area where the damage I caused to the site, where the attack I caused. In fact, it was a brutal assault. Now, this is what happened. And then Evans at the picture MIM. Evans videos where you know what happened.
Kofi na no fiada.
Yeah.
Akoma 87.9 Kumasi free. Subriso-Nfante. Ni nyina ne say Kofi mami ni kan twa picture kakra about Nfante nchiro.
Okay.
Nfante, the first time I call Nfante, me name Mike Hamanekoi, the former
okay, yeah, make
local
it,
government minister.
Yeah.
I'm saying name Mills time. And say my memory serves me right. Any call a year Nfante. Na ne galamsey cram down ya na dear Nfante. But we went there with
and to why predominantly galamsey
galamsey area.
Illegal mining.
Illegal mining, yes. We went there with heavy military men. Any call. That was the first time I call Nfante. Your call, you know. Na ye surprised we see but o men nya nipa nim bia anchi omo
Akoma 87.9
Kuku farms ye twagu ni manema. So those were the pictures around that time. Then Friday no information nya ye ne say community mining bi wo ho omo ye adwuma na according to and go this particular information no one sided information no free Forestry Commission.
But this video is from a security.
Yes.
A security senior officer and the same.
Yenya your friend say way the side of the small scheme and I say illegal miners inti ya no the beja ato kopim say almost the side weba. No mo kire say omo realize say nipa be over be 1500
87.9
and almost start AD the 3 forest no. Almost start AD the 3 forest no. It's not quite worrying. It you imagine some the rapid response team from Forestry Commission guards no.
Okay.
Nanu fiada no. Na dru ho no na so aboabo mu ye pa che say na kwetu etu atoto but here ski guards need to me over power omo me guards need to me over power na security men mienu bia che say omo na ebo mine ba ko ho ban kofi mine na no mo bo ho ban no na mine so mo bo ho ban no minti traffic
Akoma 87.9
illegal mining and I say if I say community mining and omo ho ban nemum the tie say nipa mienu no omo toy wo mra tutu no koso no omo fire na we so fire
etu no ehu
omo mienu no toy enti na ye kusie no me no ka say enti enya ne say Forestry Commission Oma withdraw omo gas in na free the 3 forest because almost so say na reprisals be about.
No, but sesi ano the indiscipline na mining no ateki to no. Na wonte say Kakum National Park. Yeah, manfo miners ategu omo kwa kudu.
Na say 87.9.
Kakum National Park.
Baby enya nsu kura free kura reference. Barekese. Barekese kura ya di nsu kura bre kura yidi 2 mines.
Kakum National Park.
Kakum emu na gum.
Ya bawura forest nim ye di forest no kete Ghana ye legacy nyinara kwamna ni di nyinara ye no ane say na amen se Kakum National Park ye kwasi chei I don't know if you are aware of this. Ya tiesi Kakum na kwasi this is so dangerous and the highest order in terms of national insecurity. Say you better see Kakum National Park. Aye kwa kudi.
87.9 Kumasi.
Si say no also government no man need that ho.
Oh jai. They've lost it. Lost control over this fight.
Perception that bonten is
serious.
Perception that bonten is say ye jai say obi anye because
na
nipa no mo ye no. Ekopis kama aban no for elections. It's not say aban man need that ho no.
Perception. Is what is say obi akasset ya mining.
Perception that bonten no. And another perception is say 2020 elections tamwa government no go hard on illegal miners no.
They lost at all the mining communities.
This time around,
Gumbi,
these are the perception. These are the perception.
Any year, Kakuma National Park, any ATSC, any amount
of holes on the government. Say, and I say, Jabine so, a Dabine so, a Yasudi Dabine so. Say, or say, or her says, I do perceptions. And yet, me found also. Then so, am I in your Kofi?
No, but this is so serious. So, Evans,
Kofi,
serious.
Kofi is serious.
Na, another. Murder case bi nso akoso
Chronom Kofi bizarre
okuja man Chronom